Yo, what is up, guys? Serg exclusive here. In this video, I'm actually going to tell you guys which one is the best books to read when you guys, to change your mindset, to change the way you guys think, and to change. And I'm going to tell you guys my backstory on after I started reading these books. Before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could get notified when I upload my next video. And I am going to be doing a giveaway announcement, and so stick all the way to the end so you guys can know what giveaway I'm gonna be doing. This book is actually one of my favorites. This one, it actually pursued me leaving my 9-to-5 job, because I didn't like, since high school I wanted to do something that I didn't have to work. I didn't have to go get a 9-to-5 job, but I still did it during high school. But I wanted to look into like the online industry, making money online, stuff like that. I came upon job shipping on eBay. I came upon surveys. Surveys didn't really do that much, but I came across a bunch of stuff, and then I just I don't think this is gonna work. All right, screw it. I want to go get a 9-to-5. Until I kept, even though I kept still looking online, and I did upon a book that I really liked. All right, it's called the 4-Hour Work Week, which actually helped me out a lot to escape the 9-to-5, to keep pursuing my dreams, because I didn't want to stay in a dead-end job. So that's this book I actually got recommended from one of my mentors that I looked into. It was about I believe 5 years ago when I started getting more into the online industry. So the 4-Hour Work Week actually helped me out a lot. It basically talks about escaping your 9-to-5, even if you had a 9-to-5, to live a work from home. If people wanted to work from home, that they could work from anywhere. But I wanted to escape the 9-to-5, though. The rat race. I didn't want to go to a corporate job, or when I fell upon this book, I actually worked as an Amazon driver, and I kind of hated it because it was really stressful, and we're nagging to you about a lot of stuff. Amazon works you like a slave. Yeah, so I wanted to escape that 9-to-5. I didn't want to continue going to work. I didn't want to, do all that stuff. I wanted to spend more time with my family. I wanted to do this. I wanted to do that. So that's when I fell upon, after I read this book, that's when I fell upon into affiliate marketing, right? And that's what my bread and butter. And if you guys want to take access to that, the link is down below if you guys want to do that. So yeah, the 4-Hour Work Week is one of the best books that actually helped me see that there's more out there than just working a 9-to-5. All right. The other book that I did is more about financial and how money actually works, and this helped me out. This was actually, I got both of these at the same time, so this changed my this changed my mindset about money, how money is actually work, how money, you should not save the money, or you should focus your money on somewhere, make your money work for you. All right, it's Rich Dad Poor Dad. I know a lot of people heard about this book, but this book actually changed the way I think about money, how everything changes and stuff like this. All right, so this was, I actually got it together with the I got this book, and I also got the 4-Hour Work Week together when I that was like 5 years back. But yeah, this actually talks about the 4 incomes, like the earning, the passive, the self-employed, I think. So yeah, that's it basically talks about a lot of financial, like personal finance and stuff like that, like how to get your finance in check, how to actually use money, and how you could make your money work for you and stuff like that. This book actually made me see money differently. Instead of earning my money, it tells me to trade in value for money instead of time for money. Because time, even if you have even if you work 10-12 hours a week, physically, and you're wasting your time for that, you guys are still not gonna be making like $1,000 a day, or stuff like that, because it's impossible to actually be doing that. Give time away for money. All right, so that's why give value for money instead of time, because you guys are not going to be working hourly and stuff like that. So that's what it's basically telling you, and how you guys could achieve that, and how you guys could make your money work for you. All right, so this is a pretty amazing book that I fell upon, the second to the last book. This book, I wish I actually had this book in the beginning when I was starting my online journey, because I messed up a ton in my online industry. To focus, because before I fell into affiliate marketing, I did started doing drop shipping. I did try to do eBay through drop shipping, surveys and stuff like that. And then before affiliate marketing, I fell upon what else did I fall upon? Damn, I forgot. But in affiliate marketing, I still fell into that trap of focusing on multiple things, all right, which is not good whatsoever. All right, especially if you're starting off. If you don't see something that works in the beginning, then you keep doing the same thing. Like, all right, I'm gonna do the same thing with this product, even though this product is not even working. The same strategy. I'm gonna focus on this other product and do the same thing. All right. I messed up on multiple occasions like that, and that's why I'm gonna recommend this book too. I wish I had this book. It's the one thing that actually makes you focus on one thing in the beginning when you're starting off on your online industries, on your entrepreneurships. Just focus on one thing. This is what it's basically is written in the cover. That's what it's talking about. How to focus on one thing, how not to. Like, everybody in the beginning has this shiny object syndrome, right? So when you see something that works, like a course, all right, could I focus on multiple courses? It's because I wanted to try it multiple ways, right? In the beginning, that's how I did it. I invested in one course, and then I think another course, and I invested in that course too, and then I invested in the other course. And that's when you will not get anywhere just by focusing on multiple things. So that's why this book is actually pretty good for beginners, especially when you guys are starting off in your online industry. This book literally says it all. It focuses on one thing that is pretty amazing. I barely got this book, but I wish I had this book in the beginning. It's actually recommended by one of my mentors. So I started reading this, and I actually started giving it, just trying to see it in the online space. All right, the last book I actually got is this one. All right, how to win friends and influence people. This actually helped me out a lot. Like, because I was going through some stuff not that long ago, and this book actually helped me out on how to influence people, how to get, like, not manipulation, because there's not a manipulation book, but just basically get the job you guys want, get the things you guys want, like, starting like an online business successfully, and just started doing that way. And this book actually helped me out through a tough time. I barely got this book I believe last year, or a year and a half ago, I believe. But this book actually helps you out. Basically, it just tells you it just tells you, like, it's basically showing you guys how you guys could get the job you guys want, how you guys could basically influence people to make it work for you. Like, basically like the law of attraction kind of book. All right. So this book actually helped me out a lot. So if you guys want to go check that out, I have the links down below for all of these books down below if you guys want to check them out. So yeah, these are the top 4 books that actually helped me out. And here's a bonus book called Power. It's not really with mindset, but it's the 48 laws of power, which is, I believe, is this book is actually like it's basically manipulation kind of book. But I got interested when I seen it on TikTok, so I was like, you know what, I'm I'm gonna see what's it about, and it's a pretty good book. If you guys want to get into those books, you know, it's even banned in the prisons because that's how strong this book is. So if you guys want to check it out, the link is down below. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. And if you guys want to take advantage of my free affiliate marketing course, click the link down below in my description, and you guys could get access to that and show you guys how you guys could get access to that. All right, so now for the giveaway I'm actually gonna be doing a giveaway when I reach 200 subscribers. So if you guys hit those 200 subscribers, all you gotta do to enter is subscribe, comment down below, you know, anything you guys want about, you know, I want this book, and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be giving away a free book away, one of any of these books that you guys want. All right, want any of these books that you guys want, you know, the 4-Hour Work Week, the How to Influence, you know, the One Thing, and Rich Dad Poor Dad, or Power, the bonus book, if you guys are interested in that. You know, all you gotta do is subscribe, like this video, and comment down below, and that's basically it. That's all you guys gotta be doing until I reach 200 subscribers. I'm gonna be giving away one of these books. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.